happiness. And more joy to come this year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Tito Ino. I love you. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong Tita Mila. God bless po. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Kuya.
Kuya. Katatapos lang ng aming 8 to 9 Mass.
And then our Thanksgiving.
Now it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. Tapos na yung party namin after the Mass. Thanksgiving namin. Actually, tomorrow is our Thanksgiving. Pero ngayon, sinelebrate na ng choir. Wish
Because
ate.
it's Sunday.
Wish
Okay.
ate.
Our wish for you, Kuya, ay good health, more birthdays to come, and what else? Everything that your hearts desires.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Long life. Love you, Kuya.
I love you.
Oh, yeah. Love you daw.
See you soon, Kuya.
See you soon.
See you soon.
We're coming home. We're going back home. Bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you, love you. Okay.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy birthday. Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Happy birthday sa aking hubby and happy retirement. Ngayong retired ka na, lagi na tayong magkasama sa tuwing ako yung magpapadialysis. At na-wish ko sa'yo good health and long life. Love you. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumati at umattend ng celebration ng birthday ng aking hubby. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon.